Fans, kindly subscribe to our channels today, like and share to everyone. Thanks.
Gemini. Most people are using Google Gemini wrong, and that's why they're getting weak results. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how pros actually use Gemini to get smarter answers faster. We'll go step by step, from crafting prompts to chaining responses, so you can level up from beginner to expert. Ready?
By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Gemini for writing, research, business, school, and productivity, like a pro. I'll walk you through the tools I use every day, drafting blog posts, summarizing articles, planning projects, even staying on top of class notes. Everything happens in one.
You asked, what is Gemini? Here's the short version, then stay for a secret. Google Gemini is Google's AI brain, built to understand text, images, code, and real-world context all together. And stay till the end, I'll show you one Gemini trick Google doesn't explain anywhere. Think of it as one model that reads like a pro, sees like a camera.
Fans, kindly subscribe to our channels today.
Go to gemini.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and you're in. Type your email, add your password, and watch Gemini open up. Ask questions, get ideas, and create right here in your browser. It's fast, helpful, and a little bit magical. Try it yourself.
The free version is already powerful.
In Gemini Advanced, it goes deeper. Longer answers, bigger plans.
But you don't need it to get started. For most of us, free is plenty.
90% of users never hit the limit.
And when you do want more, upgrading is one click away.
Start free, stay free.
This box is where everything happens. But what matters is not typing, it's prompting. A clear, specific prompt guides the system to produce exactly what you want. Hit run and watch the response roll in. Great prompts unlock great results.
Most people type one sentence and expect magic. That's why Gemini underperforms for them. Garbage prompt equals garbage output. But give it context, detail, and a direction, now you've got something worth reading. Write better prompts. Get better results.
Professionals use a simple structure, and once you learn it, Gemini becomes insanely powerful. It's called the Pro Prompt Formula. 3 steps: context, goal, output example. Your ideas become organized, crystal clear, and ready to impress. Learn it, unlock more.
Every perfect prompt has 4 things: role, task, context, and output. Think of them as building blocks. Part 1, the role, who or what you're asking the system to be. Part 2, the task, exactly what you want it to do. Part 3, the context, any background or details that steer the
Act as a digital marketing expert.
Understood. I'll think like a digital marketing expert. Here's a campaign concept based on current trends.
Always tell Gemini who it should act as.
Your instructions shape the genius.
12. Task clarity. Be specific about what you want. Don't be vague.
Context injection.
Context is fuel. The more relevant details you give, the smarter Gemini becomes. And tip 14, output control. Tell it the format you want. List, table, step-by-step, script.
Clear in.
Wow.
Gemini is elite for blogs, emails, books, and scripts, if prompted right. Use Gemini to summarize, compare, and explain complex topics fast. Answers, context, clarity, and research.
Students, this is your unfair advantage. From business plans to proposals, Gemini saves hours. YouTube ideas, TikTok hooks, captions. Gemini eats this.
Gemini can analyze images. This is huge.
Paste your CV. Gemini upgrades it instantly.
Turn chaos into clean systems. Even non-coders benefit here.
Fans, kindly subscribe to our channels today.
Responsibly. You can structure sermons, lessons, or talks responsibly. Build them with care so the message lands and sticks. And remember, never copy blindly.
Always review and refine.
To iterative prompting. Don't restart, refine. Keep the conversation going and shape the answer you want. 28, prompt memory trick. Remind Gemini of the context instead of re-explaining everything. It will pick up right where you left off. And 30, a quick recap. If this helped you, hit